अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को अभी तक सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो जहाँ पे सब्सक्राइब का रेड कलर का बटन दिख रहा है उसे क्लिक कर दीजिए। और अगर आपको मेरे लेटेस्ट और न्यू वीडियोस देखने हैं तो प्रेस बेल आइकन।
Well, want to know more? It's finally here. When it's open, it's a tablet, offering a big screen experience. Thank you. It's gorgeous. When closed, it's a phone that fits neatly inside your pocket. Thank you. Now, of course, I'd get in trouble if I showed you everything today. So, we've disguised the elements of the design, but trust me, there's a device inside here, and it is stunning. The Infinity Flex display represents an entirely new mobile platform. We've always strived to bring you meaningful